Ki samla pule ke Sekolah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM hak distrik Riboy hak arpupra trek unai luar arhajar arpulai kile Shad kmen ke pelau jangan ke Sekolah hadian makne ke Sekolah kalayo opdiang pat sakajeng menjor lengba ke National Commission for Indian System of Medicine pantai se ke shnat pule ke belatip kum ke Ayurvedic Medical College. Hagani ke jingle kmen ki samla pule ke USTM lai shimbenta langru dagino hikai kene ke Sekolah rengkat u Chancellor hak ubelepen pawe ke jingmen basah sien pat kene ke Sekolah ke jingya lenti ban pen priang ya ke jingnang jing start kalau opat ke jing menjor bantai saya ke Ayurvedic Medical College. hak ulepen tebru bakane ke jing angnut kelas tang ban urlong biang hadin ke jing op biang ya ke jing menjor kabala tip kum ka letter of intent na ka National Commission for Indian System of Medicine NCISM jong ketenat Ayush hadian beladak penjurip ke jaka kene ke Sekolah. Bat kebasa sekalong satangka tu kena teligi kam ban hak ban penbiang kam tam gejing siu ke pisah ke belong ar kelur tengka kum ke endowment fund sya ketenat kumta ansayo ya ke jingbit ban sedang.
First time you can go the other side, you can see our hospital and also medical college. The construction has been made, infrastructure is in place. As we are waiting for the nearly last 2.5 months for the inspection has been made and we got the LOI. Now we have to complete 2-3 formalities. Mainly we have to deposit 2 crores rupees as an endowment fund to the ministry, and then we will be getting letter of permission for this academic session for the 100 intake. So we got the LOI. It means that we can go ahead. Only thing is that 2-3 conditions are there we have to fulfill, and after that from this academic session through NEET examination. Already NEET result has been declared. So through this score we will be admitting the children from all over the northeastern states, and preferably if we get an applicant from the state of Meghalaya, certainly we will be giving the priorities. So it is all about 100 seats.
So this session can start by expectation?
I think before 20th of October. Before 20th of October. This time because inspection has been made, so it is little bit late, but next year it will be started from August.